So let's put things straight. This one is a chamfer, while this is a fillet, and both are bevel, just to get the naming if you hear them. If you didn't get why the modifier is editable while the bevel tool is destructible, in cases like this one, when we have a transformed cube and we do a bevel on it with Control B. But there's something wrong, and the fix here is to apply the scale in object mode, yet the bevel is now done. However, if we approach this from a bevel modifier, we can, after seeing the problem, just apply the scale, and it will fix the bevel directly with the option of changing the fillet amount and number of segment in the bevel. In the bevel tool, you have an option called Profile Type, where you can draw any shape and the beveled edge will follow it. Now make sure to add some segments for this to work, and there are also some presets to use like stairs or grown molds, which is dope for easy sweeps on walls. Loop cuts with the bevel is used a lot. Say like you have this shape with 3 cuts, and I want 3 equal areas on those edges to extrude them in or out. I can just bevel those 3 edges together, then switch to faces and pull them in with extrude. Sometimes you want to add a bevel to an edge with different amount on each side, so it starts wide and ends small, just like many equipment. In this case, you should add a loop cut and bevel it, then delete the area between those 2 cuts. Now bevel each side the way you want, but keep the same amount of segments on both. You can, after that, select the 2 edges on the cut area and use Bridge Edge Loop to connect the shape. Select the same 2 edges again and hit Ctrl X to delete them. You should get now a nice transition between the bevel amount on the edge you want. And that's about it for me. Stay sharp. Goodbye.